Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm showing you how to fix a air fridge that has a display that is not working. If you look at this one, the display here is not turning on. So you press and nothing's coming out here. You can control anything. This will apply to most models that are like this. The thing is, that panel will not be showing anything or working, but you can open the door and you see that the lights are on. You can even hear the fridge running, but still the buttons and the little screen here is not working. You'll need a screwdriver and a soldering iron to fix some wires that have broken off. On the top of your fridge, there'll be 3 screws, one here, one in the middle, and there'll be another one just over there. So you need to take those off. Once you've got those off, you just open the fridge and got to take off these clips. I've taken my clips already off. You just be in there, you just pull it down. And there'll be another one on the other side that you'll just pull down. And then this whole thing, if you pull it up, should come off. Just be careful because that's where the sensors are for your doors. Don't pull it off too hard, otherwise you'll break off these sensors. Once you've got that off, you can see there's this wire that's running along all the way to the display. So you need to sort that out. On this other door, you'll need to pop this off. There's a plastic piece there that you'll pop off. Once that's off, just make sure your fridge is off, of course. This is the wire. These are the wires. There's about, I'll say 4 of them, these 4. Just trace them all the way here. They should usually break in here. So trace them all the way there. I'll just open mine up. Alright, so you can see from these wires that they're broken off. So 3 of the 4 have broken off. You just need to put them back together and then make sure that they're all nice and tight, and then it'll start working again. So I usually like to put a bit of heat shrink on the wires first and then go about resoldering them. And that way you've got something to also provide as a bit of structural strength for the wires, not to become undone again, to break again. Alright, so you just gotta put some tape around that. Alright, let's just reinstall the wire back in here. You gotta run it along the places where it was, so just along here, and then just gotta remember to put this back in. Just make sure that you're not stretching this wire too much, putting it under a lot of strain. Otherwise the same thing's gonna happen again. So I usually just undo from that side, because this is put like upside down sort of thing. So if you straighten it out, it will be the right size. And then just get enough length that would make for it not to break. So like that, it's not under strain. See that? It's good in there. And then that goes in there. Then this stays sort of like that. And then put back the panel on this side. This one, this piece, just clips back on. And then the middle piece, clip in. Make sure the wires are not showing at the bottom there. Once you're done, plug it back in and see how the repair went. Should start working now. There you go. Display's working. Buttons should start working as well. Yeah, so buttons are now working. So that should work for all of yours. If you have a problem with yours, let me know. It's usually just a broken wire that you need to put back together, and that will solve all your issues for these Haier fridges, even the Hisense fridges as well. It'll be the same issues. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.